Buckingham Palace is a London royal residence and the administrative headquarters of the monarch of the United Kingdom. Located in the city of Westminster, the palace is often at the center of state occasions and royal hospitality. Buckingham Palace is recognized around the world as the home of the 96-year-old Queen Elizabeth II, the focus of national and royal celebrations, as well as the backdrop to the regular changing the guard ceremony. It has not only been a weekday home of Queen Elizabeth II and Prince Philip, but is also the London residence of the Duke of York and the Earl and Countess of Wessex. The palace also houses their offices as well as the home of Princess Royal and Princess Alexandra, and is the workplace of more than 800 people. Buckingham Palace operates a timed admission system. Buckingham Palace is worth an estimated $4.9 billion.